Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing. So today we'll be unboxing another type of a USB mosquito killing lamp. So if you haven't saw our first video on the other version of this USB killing lamp, I'll put up a link right here so you can watch it, and on our video description. Okay, so here's our USB mosquito killing lamp version 2. So this is what we have from the box: a USB adapter and our main unit. It has a USB interface right here, and it's quite tall right here compared to the other version that we have reviewed. So this one still have a 5 volts rated voltage, and even though it's bigger, the power consumption of this one is also still around 1.2 watts. So it still is power efficient though. I believe inside the ring right here, so it goes both ways. That's our UV light right there. And down here, those are our fans, suction fans. So what would happen here is there are 2 holes right here. So air would be sucked in by the fan that we have at the bottom right there. Once the mosquitoes are lured by the UV light right on top of it. On the bottom, this will be our container for the mosquitoes that will be caught by our item. So it's easy to detach. Just give it a twist, and there you go. And that is the bottom of our fan. So you just put it back like so and give it a little twist, and it's back on. So in terms of weight, we'll be again using our digital scale, which we have reviewed on the channel previously. So I'll put the link right here so you can also watch it, and on our video description. So the weight of our USB mosquito killer lamp is 240.8 grams. So this one is a little heavier, because the other one, if I remember correctly, is around 191 or 94 grams. So in terms of height, we have 20.5 cm right there. So in terms of the width, we have 11.5 cm. For size comparison, there's our bowl of Cheese Whiz original spread right there, and here's our unit. So that's how tall it is. Okay, so to power our device, we have a couple of options. So we can use the included USB adapter right here. So you just have to insert the USB interface and plug this one to a normal wall socket. You can use a power bank like this one. This is the Romo Sense 6P, 20,000 milliamperes battery. We have reviewed this previously on the channel too, and I'll leave a link right here so you can watch that video, and on the video description. So all we need to do is plug it in one of the USB slots of our power bank, and we should be good to go. And there you go. Our unit is now working. So So there's our UV light on top right there, on top of the black circle. And just right at the bottom, that is where our fans are. So once the mosquitoes are lured by this UV light right here, they will then be sucked in to the bottom of the device by our fan right here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
It is a quiet operation. And there you go. So there you go, guys. So we will be using this one for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, and see how effective this is in terms of catching mosquitoes. So see you guys for the summer. Okay, so after 4 weeks of exactly turning this thing on, let's see if it caught anything. And there's nothing, guys. After 4 weeks, it didn't caught a single mosquito. So it's clear, right? I don't have to tell you if this works or not. And to add to our summary, the blue light or the blue LED light still works, but the fan stopped working around maybe the 3rd week. So it's just all lights now. My suggestion, do not buy these cheap ones you see on the internet. I bought this around 200 pesos or something like that. Now I'm not sure if there's anything that is authentic that resembles the same item we have here that works. So I am yet to find anything else that like this one that is working. So this one, guys, is busted. So I hope you liked our video today. If you liked our video today, please do not forget to like and comment on our video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.